All right, it may be hard to believe, but Christmas is just around the corner. Some of you might already be pulling out your decorations if you haven't already, or maybe getting ready to put up your tree or buying some Christmas gifts. But before you do all that, listen to this. Like in the past years, there could be a shortage of Christmas trees this season, and Mother Nature could be to blame.
Yeah, KPRC-2's Gage Goulding is investigating how a hurricane could be the Grinch that stole Christmas.
How long y'all been selling trees?
Well, so our Christmas tree story actually started in the 90s.
Here at Froberg's farm in Alvin, Texas, they're literally growing Christmas.
It's a lot of trees.
Christmas trees, 10,000 of them to be exact, but it's just a drop in the ocean compared to the nation's largest tree producer, Western North Carolina, the same area gut-punched by Hurricane Helene just a few months ago. A fifth of the nation's Christmas trees come from North Carolina, but Helene destroyed well over 800,000 acres of forest. These areas here, you can see, they were hit hardest, but they also just so happen to be the areas where the largest farms in the country are. With entire forests leveled and roads still impassable, there's a chance they might not be enough Christmas trees to go around.
I think there will more than likely be a shortage of trees.
The North Carolina Christmas Tree Association saying they aren't expecting a supply issue, but the truth is, we won't really know until we see how many people want real trees this year.
And that's where we come into play. All of our trees are grown right here.
And it's his farm that felt the fury of Mother Nature just a few months earlier. Hurricane Beryl blowing over every single one of his trees.
We pushed all the trees back in place. We put this kickstand in place, and we had to do that with 10,000 of them.
Even then, more than 100 trees didn't make it.
Do you kind of feel that you share almost that same heartbreak with those farmers?
The devastation was not near as bad here as it was there.
And for that, he's thankful that he can still help spread the holiday cheer this year.
If you're in the greater Houston area, don't sweat it. Christmas is saved. Just come on down to Alvin, Texas, and we'll take care of you.
In Alvin, Gage Goulding, KPRC 2 News.